Here's one more I'd like to share with you, is trying to do maybe that same group of letters in all capitals. That's what I love to do with the pointed pen. Okay, let's do it with a little bit of press and release. Similar kinds of look, but a bit different. But I love to do this in caps. Some smaller, some taller. Some a little wider. I tend to enjoy bending the stems just a little bit. And low crossbars on some of those A's. E's that pull up. The little serif. And that same S I showed you before would go great with this group. So you see I vary the size a bit too. I don't always stick to the exact same rigid size. I like to bring them up and down a little bit more.